Welcome to our guide on navigating the UK job market, strategies for international professionals. Whether you're an experienced professional or a recent graduate, finding your way in the UK job market can be both exciting and challenging. In this video, we'll provide you with invaluable insights and strategies to help you stand out and secure your dream job. So, let's get started. Understanding the landscape. The UK job market is diverse and competitive, offering opportunities across various industries. Research your field of interest and understand the current trends, skills in demand, and key employers. Utilize online platforms like LinkedIn, industry forums, and networking events to expand your knowledge and connect with industry experts. Tailoring your application. Customize your CV and cover letter for each job application. Highlight your relevant skills, experiences, and accomplishments that match the specific role. Use a professional tone and showcase your adaptability and eagerness to contribute to the company's success. Mastering the interview. Prepare thoroughly for interviews by researching the company's values, projects, and recent achievements. Be ready to discuss your past experiences and how they relate to the job. Showcase your soft skills, such as communication and teamwork, as they are highly valued by UK employers. Building a professional network. Networking is crucial in the UK job market. Attend job fairs, workshops, and seminars to meet professionals in your industry. Engage in meaningful conversations, exchange business cards, and follow up with personalized emails to nurture these connections. Continuous learning. Demonstrate your commitment to personal and professional growth by enrolling in relevant courses or certifications. Many UK employers value candidates who show a willingness to learn and adapt to changing industry trends. Utilizing online resources. Take advantage of online job portals and recruitment websites like Indeed, Reed, and Total Jobs. Set up job alerts to stay updated on new opportunities in your field. Exploring entrepreneurship. If you're considering entrepreneurship, the UK offers a supportive ecosystem for startups. Research government initiatives, grants, and accelerators that can help you turn your business idea into reality. Embracing diversity. The UK workplace celebrates diversity. Embrace your unique background, experiences, and perspectives as they can contribute to a rich and vibrant work environment. Conclusion. Navigating the UK job market requires determination, adaptability, and a strategic approach. By understanding the landscape, tailoring your application, mastering interviews, building a network, continuous learning, using online resources, exploring entrepreneurship, and embracing diversity, you'll be well equipped to make your mark in the UK's professional landscape. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, your journey in the UK job market is an opportunity for growth and success. Stay persistent, stay positive, and keep pushing forward. Good luck.